Convenient city living at its best with Byward Market, Rideau Canal, Rideau Centre, LRT, Ottawa U, and so much more just steps from your door. Claridge Plaza 3 is an amenity-rich building in the heart of central Ottawa. Perched on the 21st floor, this housed-in model offers 660 square feet of thoughtful laid-out space. This unit features one bedroom filled with plenty of natural light, a den area for the ease of a home office, and in-unit laundry that further highlights the creature comforts of home. Beautiful, rich hardwood floors throughout outline the stylish tiled kitchen, featuring granite counters and stainless steel appliances. A bright living room with direct access to the balcony offers a bird's-eye view of the city. This unit features one underground parking space and a storage locker. Building amenities include an indoor pool, a gym, sauna, theater, a party room, and landscaped terrace perfect for those milestone celebrations. Be sure to call Jake Prescott of Tracy Arnett Realty to schedule your private showing today.